computer. Okay, I turned on the recording na. Okay. Hi, Tere.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. Kumusta naman? How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Ay, very good,
Yes.
very good. So, at least nag-abot na kita. Ay,
Mm.
Tagalog pala tayo ngayon. Kasi hindi tayo maintindihan sa coach namin. Anyway, so thank you for coming today's session, coaching session. This is the third recording that we have, no, but the fourth session. Although we will be having another one, hindi na natin i-record 'yon, no? So, here we are. Na gusto mong pag-usapan natin ngayon, Tere?
Topics, still number one, I think it's more on the activation of our existing planners.
Okay. So, well, activation, no? So, ah, sa tingin mo ba yung activation hindi gumagana? I mean, hindi ganun kadami yung activated agent mo on a monthly basis, kaya ni-raise up mo ito?
Yeah, kulang pa rin kasi say I have around 20 agents in
Okay.
but only four in a month, 3 to 4 are active.
So, out of
So
20.
out of 20. So
Okay.
they have different the challenge is generally most of them are like 90% are part-timers. So they have
90%.
yes,
Okay. Okay.
they are mothers at the same
Mhm.
time business people, and some are working. They have their
Okay.
own businesses and others are full-time employees.
Okay, you told me na sabi mo kanina kulang, no? Anong ibig mo sabihin na kulang yung active agent?
Uh, Number one, kasi say on a monthly basis, only 3 or 4 are submitting and having
Mhm.
issued cases. And
Okay.
because we have this regular conversation, but uh, like not necessarily regular conversation, but I contact them regularly. But the problem is, I mean, the challenge is that say I have half in my team who ignores my calls because they are too busy to pick up.
Why do you think they cannot answer your call aside from calling them? Sabi mo busy. Is that your assumption?
They're the ones who replies, sorry, busy, I'll call you later. But that later never comes.
Sumagot naman pala, but hindi na
Parang
siya
not
bumalik.
picking up the call, but then mag-message later on.
Mhm.
Sorry, hindi ko na narinig kasi I was out. I will call you later. I'll call you tomorrow. Then
Mhm.
nothing. If I call them again, they still won't pick up.
Okay. Okay. So,
Hmm. So
balikan ko lang. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
I think because of that, they lack engagement, team
Mhm.
engagement, and number one, they don't have the knowledge about the products
Ba't nasabi mo na they lack engagement and they lack product knowledge?
because they never attended our face-to-face meetings. They never
Mm.
attended. Yeah,
Mhm.
they seldom attend our Zoom meetings.
Mhm.
And on one-on-one like calls, personal calls, I make to them. They usually don't respond right away. And the
Mhm.
response is not the response that I'm expecting. See, they will always say they're making excuses. Na sorry, I cannot. Like if I invite them for our general assembly monthly
Mhm.
branch assembly.
Mhm.
Sorry, I won't be available on that day.
Okay. So, yun yung mga rason.
Uh,
Anything else? Ay, nawala. Wala. Ako ba ang nawala?
Feel that they have commitment towards activity.
Tere, naputo
Ako
lang tayo
siguro,
ng mga 5 seconds. Baka ako mahina.
walang commitment ba? Walang
Walang
commitment. There's
commitment.
commitment
Okay.
to activate or really dedicate time to do the business.
Mhm. Kaya nga nasabi mo na hindi mag-attend sa face-to-face mo kasi walang commitment.
Yes, and there's this one promising recruit of mine. She's the wife of a doctor, and they have marami silang ano talaga prospects because they own a clinic. Not just one clinic, but they have two clinics.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
maraming prospects, and
Okay.
ang challenge niya is sa meron kasi siyang parang ozone therapy na clinic. So it's an
Mhm.
alternative, parang sort of alternative medicine aside from the medical clinic that they have in Matina.
Is
And
that
she's
your... Yeah,
very
go ahead.
hands-on. She's very hands-on. And wala siyang, I don't know, for her, hindi siya kumukuha ng assistant. So, yung oras niya talagang kinakain ng clinic niya.
Mhm.
Kasi the clinic is located just opposite of their home. So, ang nangyayari is yung patients niya is from 8 a.m. till 9 p.m.
Okay.
So, and may off naman sila. They don't have a clinic on Saturdays and Saturdays, Sundays they do. Wednesday and Saturday. But Wednesday and Saturday, she would go report to the other clinic.
Mhm. Kasi dalawa nga. Yeah,
Oh,
okay.
and then, active din siya as secretary of Lions Club. So, marami siyang prospects. Kaya lang, hindi niya talaga bigyan ng time yung FWD. So, I don't know, how do I make her or convince her to dedicate time para sa business?
Okay. Sige. So, that's one of the problem na sinight mo, no? Commitment, no? It's because they are not attending your face-to-face meeting or huddle, or they are not attending seminars or training, no? Especially on product knowledge. So, gusto ko lang i-clarify, Tere. So, sabi mo kanina that your concern is all about activating. But
Yeah.
is it really activation or to resolve the commitment of your agents for them to become activated every month?
I think both.
Both.
Kay, kasi there are agents who are dedicated, they keep attending, but still wala pa rin activation.
Okay. So may nag-attend ng training tapos wala pa rin result.
Walang result.
Okay.
And,
So, yeah, go ahead. Ay, napupula naman.
and even making money.
Ulitin natin. Mga naputol ka ng 5 seconds. Ano yun, Tere? Ano yung sinabi?
So yun, say si Raikel, for example, she used to attend our meetings, ganun.
Mhm.
But when the opportunity, another opportunity came in na her aunt gave her, parang tinurn over sa kanya yung pwesto ng tindahan.
Mhm.
So, mas malaki ang kita and every day there is cash inflow. So, she preferred na doon na lang i-focus yung time niya instead of FWD. Kasi sa FWD, parang seasonal ang nangyari sa kanya. Meron siyang sales, but very few
Not monthly. Seasonal
at
nga.
monthly basis. So, I think 4 lang ang na-close niya for the entire year.
Okay, okay. Now, as a leader, kasi klaro sa atin that you wanted to achieve both, no, the commitment of this agent. At the same time, it will boils down naman talaga for them to become activated, no, every month. Kasi if they are committed and attending our sessions, our training, your meeting with them, in result, we're hoping that they will be activated. Tama ba?
Yeah.
Okay. Sige. As a leader, Tere, sa tingin mo ba, ano kaya ang naging problema on your part? Bakit hindi sila activated? Bakit hindi sila committed? Bakit hindi sila na-activate every month sa tingin mo?
So I think from my end, no, I don't think may problema ako kasi I I reach out to them regularly, and then I conduct product trainings as well kasi
Okay.
I'm very familiar with all the products of FWD.
Mhm.
And then um, I also parang update them kung ano yung mga drives and incentives. Regular yun. In fact, other units from our branch are asking from me because parang ako yung most updated
Mhm.
sa pagdating sa
Sa
mga
team ninyo.
promos and drives.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, correct.
So,
Agree.
I'm surprised. To be honest, I'm surprised na kung sino yung mga agents na hindi masyadong inaasikaso, sila pa yung may benta. Pero yung parang ini-spoon feed mo na, yun pa ang walang benta.
Okay. Bakit kaya? Bakit ganun? Sino pa yung hindi natin inasikaso sa pang may benta? Ito namang talagang parang inasikaso natin, walang benta. Bakit kaya? Ano sa tingin mo?
So, I don't know, maybe it has something to do with maturity sa business or we
Mhm.
recruited the wrong people. Kasi if I look at my experience, my personal experience ba,
Mhm.
uh, matagal din naman ako bago nag-active talaga. Although on my first pag-code ko pa lang, may benta ko agad dalawa, pero I stopped selling after that. It's
Okay.
because belief system sa company and sa company itself,
Mhm.
mababa.
Mhm.
So parang I still have doubts, a lot of doubts na what will happen? Baka matumba tong company ito, ako masisi, yung ganun.
Oo, supplyan. Yeah.
Oh, kasi I have a bad experience sa previous na another company na ganun ang nangyari. So parang na-phobia ako ba na what if it happens again? So wala na. That's the end of me. Kaya naulit na naman. So wala nang tiwala yung mga tao. Although it wasn't my fault talaga.
Mhm. Mhm.
Yung company naman yung may problema. But
Mhm.
since you are the endorser, di ba? So yun, I'm thinking na baka ganun din sila. So I'm trying my best to convince them, to make them realize na, okay, this company is stable, very reliable, and
Mhm.
parang walang effect. So I don't know if it's just a matter of time ba or we really recruited the wrong people.
Okay. Though that is only your assumption.
Yes.
Hindi mo
Kasi if I ask them, parang ang always nilang excuse is busy, may iba ako. Sige lang, puhon,
Mhm.
yung ano,
Okay. Okay.
parang, si, yung, for example, another one is, um, we need confirmation for the trainings.
Mhm.
Sige, lista mo ako, lista. Sige, punta ka ha. Oo, lista mo lang ako. So, naglag ka na. I do the registration ha. They're not doing the registration. I put effort in registering them
Okay.
so that I just make sure that they're registered sa training.
Mhm.
But on the day of the training, saan ka na? Ay, sorry, something came up. Emergency. Bawi ako next time. Tapos next time again, inulit again and again and again.
Mhm.
Pero whenever you talk to her, she would say na, sige lang, mag-active lagi ako. Gusto ko man talaga makumita, ganyan. But busy lang talaga. Sige lang, bawi lang ako.
Mhm.
Ganyang term.
Bawi
Saan
lang po next
saan ka
month. Mga
magbawi?
ganon.
Ako, I'm not making them resign or leave the company, but I'm sure na kasi we have validation, di ba, requirements.
Mhm.
I let them know about it also. And
Mhm.
I'm waiting. If you don't make it until June, then tanggal na kayo. Wala tayong magawa, di ba?
Mhm. Mhm.
Wala. Kasi I'm putting enough effort, I think. I'm putting
Mhm.
my best para i-convince or i-drag sila to become active agents, pero walang nangyayari.
Okay. Okay. So, again, ibalik ko sa iyo yung tanong, Tere, no? So, as a leader, ano dapat yung ginawa natin on our part? Is it um, parang, kasi nabanggit mo, ni-remind mo sila, in-enroll mo nga sila, ba't hindi pa rin sumipot sa training? So, ano dapat gawin mo as a leader?
Hayaan na lang.
Kaya na lang,
Siguro, hayaan na lang and recruit someone else.
parang ano yan, parang
Replace them na lang.
ibig mo sabihin doon, andyan na sila eh. So, hayaan na lang hanggang mamatay, ganun.
O, ganun. Kasi, para yung ano ba, parang yung empleyado siguro, I think para empleyado na you give them probationary period of 6 months and if
Mhm.
you don't make it, okay, wag mo na irregular, tanggalin mo na.
Mhm. Mhm. Okay. Anything else na, kasi sayang din eh, andyan na, coded. Alam natin yung
That's the
process,
reason
diba?
why I'm putting effort talaga. In fact, I'm spending money kasi say for example, ayaw nila sa office, they don't have time makipag-meeting sa office and office closes at 5. O sige, let's meet outside dinner. Ako
Mhm.
gumagastos nun.
Mhm. Mhm.
Then parang ang kapal ng mukha, hindi nyo man na ako pinabawi.
Businessman
Sinayang yung
tayo eh, di ba?
pagkasto.
Businessman tayo. Siyempre, gumastos tayo. That's part
Diba?
of our investment anyway. Huwag mo naman ako. Although hindi naman makakarating sa kanila yun, atin-atin lang naman to.
Pero deep inside ko parang, hello, I spent for you, tapos ganyan, I'm spending not just money, but I'm spending my time, which I can
Mhm.
have use for more productive uh,
Mhm.
task, di ba? For the day.
Mhm. Mhm.
Pero kasi you wanted to meet, okay, kinater kita and then ganyan.
Mhm.
So, but di mo naman pwede isumbat yan. That's the thing. Because they're not our employees.
Correct. Agree. Contractual sila eh. Di
Hmm.
ba? So, sa tingin mo ba, wala na talaga tayong pag-asa na magbago yon?
I don't,
Magbago yung ugali nila?
let me ask
Are
my
you really closing your doors na hayaan ko na lang sila and so on and so forth? Or you wanted to save
may
them?
chance ko ba yan? May chance of, ha? Yeah, hindi ko na alam. I really don't know if there's still a chance. Kasi parang I've reached the finish line.
Mhm. So
Parang
talagang
it's between it's their choice na between staying or staying and get activated or matanggal na lang because of non-validation.
okay. So para surrender ka na, ganun.
Hmm.
Sabi ko, sayang.
Anyway,
COVID na eh.
meron naman akong bagong recruits but the challenge naman sa bagong recruits is very difficult to get schedules sa exam. And now
Mhm.
that there's available schedule, I have a concern naman kasi we're not getting confirmation of the exam.
Mhm.
Out of the 3 who registered, isa lang yung successful na nakatanggap ng confirmation for the exams. So I don't know the reason behind. I think it's kasi during the last Friday, was it Friday or Saturday? During the recruitment meeting, hindi naman nila nasagot yung mga tanong.
Mhm.
Oh.
Sino
And
to? Sino to? Sino tong ano, yung partner natin sa recruitment? Yung
uh,
contact mo?
yes,
Okay.
sila Hana. Sila.
Okay.
So, and then I messaged Hannah. I sent her direct message dun sa Zoom. And she said na, okay, I'll provide you the email. But she never sent me the email of that contact person. Sabi ko, I want to contact directly kung sino yung in charge talaga. So,
Mhm.
wala siya binigay. Then, I addressed my emails pa rin dun sa, ano natin, Elite Recruitment Management Team.
Yung FWD management na email.
Oh, yun. And
Ano
then
ba?
I copy her and Julius. Pero hindi pa rin na-resolve. And I tried calling Hannah several times last week and this morning,
Mm.
hindi siya sumasagot.
Mm. So despite of several reminders, hindi pa rin sumasagot.
No, I wanted to discuss it to her personally kasi sa email naman nagre-reply siya. Pero I want to discuss it with her personally kasi parang hindi ako satisfied dun sa answer sa email.
Mm. Pero ang challenge natin, we don't have any contact numbers, tama?
Yes,
Via
and if
email
we
kasi ang
do, and
communication
even
eh.
if we do, they don't answer. They don't pick up the call.
Mhm.
So far, si Hana lang ang meron ako.
No, kasi ang in charge natin sa FWD management, it's not Hannah, it's Abigail.
Datiles.
Oo, correct. Yes.
Mm.
Correct, correct.
And even, say, yung kanina, hindi ko alam, kasi sabi niya, i-register again, re-register the examinee. They're
Mhm.
not allowed to re-register kasi nga nakabook na yung face-to-face na exam.
Mhm.
Yung kaibabaw na pinabago
Mhm.
ko, I want it online.
Yeah, yan. Nag-reply nga ako dun sa email eh. Di ba? Nabasa mo naman siguro yun na nag-follow up din ako. But
Mm.
still, there's no answer from them. But anyway, that's beyond our control, no? Ako na bahala doon mag-usap doon, makipag-usap doon sa lead sa manager nila, no? Para naman ma-resolve natin yung case na yun. Pero aside from that, Tere, what do you really want to resolve on that case? Gusto mo
Ah,
talagang kausapin personally sila?
yes, yes, because I want clarity on the processes since parang ay malabo pa rin sa akin ano ba talaga yung prerequisites kasi I asked that question. Can
Mm,
you highlight again and make a summary? Ano ba yung prerequisites before the exam and
mhm,
before coding? Kasi
mhm,
nami-mix up yung answer nila dun sa Zoom. Somebody
mhm,
asked. Kaya lang, ang reply is na-mix up siya between coding and exam scheduling.
mhm,
Parang sabi niya, oh, you still have to finish this because it's a requirement for coding. We're not asking about coding. Sa exam pa lang, sa pag-book pa lang ng schedule, ano ang
mhm,
prerequisite talaga?
mhm.
Kasi if it's for coding, then we can do it later, di ba?
Yeah, correct. Correct. Agree. Tama.
So, dapat yung ano, parang I want the summary ba? Ano ba talaga? And then I asked, may nag-reply, gusto mo, ang reply, sino nga yun? Hindi ko na screenshot eh. Hindi ko natandaan yung pangalan niya. Pero ang sagot niya, parang nag-PM dun sa team nila, piniem ako na, gusto mo ba ulitin natin i-run through ulit? Sabi ko, no, hindi naman kailangan i-run through, but just type yung ano yan, i-list mo lang, list down mo lang kung ano yung talagang prerequisites. Hindi na siya sumagot.
Si Hannah ba to?
No, it wasn't Hannah. Two words yung pangalan niya eh. Parang hindi ko yata na screenshot. Hindi ko na
Sige,
screenshot.
isisi mo rin ako dun sa sa email na yun so that I can also help you. But kung balikan natin yung sitwasyon na yan, ano
And
ba
then,
na?
ano pa, another thing is, yung application, I asked Ibabaw, Mr. and Mrs. Ibabaw to complete the application form.
Okay.
But then,
Application for license or insurance?
for the application mismo, before exam, before taking
For
the
for taking the exam.
mm
Okay.
But hindi siya inaalaw, parang merong error sa system. It's not, meron ako screen record. Pwede ko i-forward sa iyo.
Sige. Okay.
I need to email pa ito. Hindi ko pa na-email.
Mhm.
Pero I'm going to email this kasi how can we complete the application kung hindi naman siya accessible?
Mhm. We're talking about SRT 2.0 na ha kasi wala na yung old na
Yes, bagong
Okay,
recruits
yeah,
naman po
yeah.
this February lang, January lang naman sila na-recruit.
Okay, okay. Kasi talagang nag-erase na tayo dun sa SRT to SRT na luma. So
Mm.
lahat ng records talagang we need to re-encode, di ba? Dun sa SRT 2.0. Yeah.
So, yan.
Okay, so ano yung concern mo doon? I-clarify ko lang, aside from wala silang sagot and so on and so forth, ano pa? Ano pa ang tingin mo na other concern about it?
Ayun talaga. Because once na-answer yun, then we know saan kami kulang, may kulang.
Mhm.
Kasi ngayon, ang challenge number one is we don't have access sa accounts ng examinee,
Correct.
sa SRT accounts nila.
Mhm.
And we cannot see it. Yung sinagot ako na tingnan mo daw sa Cube, like monitor it from Cube.
Mhm.
By the way, hindi siya accessible sa Cube iPad ha. Sa phone lang siya. Now,
Mhm.
if you, I look at the progress report doon sa Cube, wala naman siyang details eh. Say for example, nag-register for the exam, ang
Mhm.
nakalagay lang pending.
Yeah.
So you don't really know what dates they book for,
Mhm. Mhm.
o what kind of exam, 'di
Correct.
ba? Tulad nun, ano pala off-site, thinking na ang off-site is online.
Palayo, off-site, online, iba yun.
Yeah, but
Iba
when you
yun.
say off-site, dapat kasi on-site, 'di ba? Kung face-to-face supposed to be, it's on-site. I even
Mhm.
asked Bonnet kasi 'di ba nag-GC, the first time nag-send ng GC schedule si tawag dito, si Julius. So
Mhm.
sabi ko kay Ma'am Bonnet, ano tong off-site? Is it online or face-to-face? Sabi niya, most probably it's online kasi kung face-to-face, on-site yan. See? So meaning to say, I'm not the only one confused.
Mhm. Pero matagal na natin yan ginamit, di ba? Yung off-site. Matagal na yun. Lahat ng mga
We
schedules
use
natin dati sa
face-to-face.
Davao, off-site ang title na sinabi nila. But sige lang, I'll give feedback on that to their boss, no? But again, going back, no, to this session about coaching, I cannot help you with that in terms of coaching, ha? Kasi these are beyond our control, eh, no? Hindi kasi sila sumasagot sa email and so on and so forth. But don't worry, as your TSH, I will call I will not call their attention. Instead, I will talk to their boss. I will give feedback kasi may meeting naman kami every Wednesday about recruitment, no? Ando naman yung national recruitment head. I'll give feedback with them. Dapat sumagot sila sa email. Ha? Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Sige.
So, yung email kasi parang hindi siya sumasagot naman, pero it's not the answer that I'm looking for ba. Parang hindi siya detailed pa.
Mhm. Kaya nga, kasi simple lang ang tanong mo doon na ano yun, sabi mo kanina? Ano yung mga list na kailangan? Tapos
Oh.
sagot niya na i-check mo lang sa Cube, di ba? Sige, I'll give feedback. Sige. So balik tayo dun sa session natin about coaching, sabi ko nga, no? So, una nabanggit mo is activation, commitment. Next, ito naman sabi mo na recruitment concerns, no? But again, I cannot help you with that in coaching, ha? I can help you in other ways.
Yeah, because
Sabi ko,
this is a big bottleneck kasi etong mga recruits natin, kung hindi yan dedicated, hindi yan mag-e-effort na mag-reschedule na exam.
correct.
Kasi they're the ones na nangungulit na kailan ba talaga kami makapag-exam. Kasi
Mhm.
not everyone has the patience to do that.
Mhm.
O ako yun, lalo na it's digital, parang kapuya ba ani uy? Sige lang, balik sa uno. Kasi I've already uploaded the requirements,
Correct.
and walang balita. Bulok
Kasi
na.
ano yan, actually ni-resolve natin yan, na-raise na nga yung concern. Hindi lang ikaw, Tere, nationwide kaya to na concern.
Kaya nga, so
Di
parang
ba?
Yung mga recruits natin, baka sabihin nila, bulok pala tong system nila. Kala ko
Hindi,
ba
mali nga eh. Kasi parang ang dating nga, pinapahirapan. Okay lang kung may
Exactly.
experience tayo, di ba? Alam natin eh.
Exactly.
Tayo, alam natin kasi may experience na.
Pinahirapan.
Itong
Pinahirapan.
mga, correct, itong mga bagong recruit natin, wala pang alam dun sa mga, ito lang nga, sa simple term. Hindi nila alam yun.
Hindi
So,
talaga.
baka
And
kailangan ng mga
can you
details.
imagine yung pati marriage contract it is a requirement if you are married.
Mhm.
Bakit dati hindi naman siya requirement?
Correct, correct.
So
Anyway.
bakit lang naging requirement yung marriage contract?
Mhm.
So kung wala kang marriage contract, kailangan mo pa magpunta PSA kung nawala ang copy mo.
Correct. Di ba? Pero I'm sure may mga reason yon. But of course, I will ask clarification about it, no?
Yeah,
Pero,
but
nabanggit na yon,
pwede
ah,
naman siguro na requirement ang marriage contract but not siguro before you can do that even after coding eh. Nasabihin mo, okay, if you don't submit, kasi ibig sabihin, kung hindi siya requirement before, di pwede pala hindi siya maging requirement ngayon, di ba? So, baka
I
dagdag lang
believe that
yan
is
doon.
required. I believe that is required for female applicants. Kasi
Wala
nag-iiba yung
before.
ano eh. Nag-iiba yung apelyido unlike sa lalaki eh. So they wanted to really know the full name of the person. Kung married siya, tingnan natin yung pagkadalaga niya tsaka yung ito ngayong ano. Kasi alam ko may reason yan eh. So, but I'll have to check with them. Anyway, that will be discussed during our leaders meeting, no? So, again, balik lang tayo dun sa ano, parang nawala tayo dun sa coaching session eh. Kasi parang problem solving na to. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, I cannot help you with this concern instead for coaching, no? But I can help you uh,
Awar doon yun.
with the system, no, or the practices that we have. I have to check this one with the national recruitment head, no? So, sa tingin mo ba yung kanina na pag-usapan natin, sabi mo kanina surrender ka na, so wala na tayong magawa doon. That's your choice, eh. Tama ba ako?
Yes,
So, end na lang natin yon, close natin yung ano.
yes,
Anyway,
yes.
may fifth session naman tayo, Tere. Hindi naman yun recorded, so probably we can explore more on what are the things that we can do on our part, no, on our part for us to become successful really in this business. Kasi I do understand na as a leader, you're concerned, no, about the performance of your team. Wala nga problema, sabi mo nga, walang problema on your part kasi talagang producer ka naman. You can do that. But of course, since you are inviting them to join us and sabi mo nga during BOP or GYB, pinapromise natin na may kita and so on and so forth, tapos pagpasok wala palang kita, di ba? So,
And I want to also parang have an ROI ba? Kasi it's not simple no to recruit. You know, the procedure pa lang, yung time din and effort na dinedicate ko for that ba? Like,
mhm.
kasi walang pera sa recruitment sa totoo lang, di ba? You don't get compensated for recruiting someone. Except na lang siguro kung may mga drive. But
Mhm.
sa akin, on my part, I never qualified for any of the recruitment drives.
Bakit?
And
5 lang naman yung dati requirements.
kasi it's not yung ang dati because hindi siya tuma-timing eh. Yung
Mhm.
parang nag-recruit kami pero hindi siya na-code or na-activate. Yun nga, activation was part of it. Or
Yeah.
na-code, hindi na-code ng on time, parang na-code after the following month pa. After
Yeah.
cut-off. So
Mhm.
yun.
Because of, is it personal, ano, I mean, system problem or circumstances like the requirements or the person himself?
Halo-halo na kasi
Halo-halo.
requirement nila, yung hindi nakapag-comply ng requirements nila, and then
Mhm.
exam schedule, hindi agad-agad nakapag-schedule ng exam kasi limited yung availability.
Yeah, correct.
Na si Ola
Correct.
sila.
Yeah. Anyway,
So
so
yan, kasi katulad yan ngayon, di ba, hindi talaga simple mag-recruit. you try, even before they get to the exam, parang you meet them na para sa review, ina-guide mo na. So, hindi biro yung mas madali pa magbenta siguro kaysa
Kaysa mag-recruit.
mag-toon lang.
Okay. Pero,
Tapos
pero,
yung recruit mo, parang they expect kasi na alagaan mo talaga sila since they're new to the company. Parang
correct.
baby.
Kasi leader tayo, alagaan talaga natin, di ba? But the thing is that ang challenge natin, how can we make them activated? Yun yung
Oo. Tapos
wisdom
samahan
doon.
mo pag maaga ang exam kasi ang laptop ko ginagamit nila o di maaga din ako gigising. Di ba?
Hmm.
Can you imagine that?
Correct, correct.
Samantalang pag client meeting, pwede ko i-delay. Okay, afternoon na kayo, matulog pa ako extended.
Mhm. Syempre, alam naman natin as a leader, we need to recruit really, di ba? Kasi unless if you will not recruit, we will die down, no? As a team or as a leader. So we really need to recruit, no?
Yes.
But anyway,
Because we have a concern pa yun sa GEMA kasi although sa February, wave siya, but only if you do 40% higher. What
mhm.
if it's below 40% so you don't get anything? Di
Wala.
ba?
Requirement eh. That's the
Oh,
rule.
that's why. And then,
Rule. Hindi, kaya nga sabi nila, parang pang testing yon for you to be able to get compensated. Kasi may override tayo. Ito additional incentive to, hindi to
yeah,
income eh. Incentive to. So meaning to say, they have to put some parameters and requirements that you must comply. Because if you will not comply on that, definitely you will not be receiving any incentive.
yeah, that's why nga. Kaya, mahirap nga kasi pagsasabayin mo yung activation, recruitment, personal production, so it's not simple. And then, although okay naman sa amin yung regular meetings because we're already doing it. It's
Mhm.
a habit na ni Carmel yan.
Yeah, correct. Every week nga yun eh, di ba?
Sanay na kami sa ganun.
Correct, correct.
And I'm just happy na may planner ako na na producer. But hopefully matuloy-tuloy kasi she's targeting to become MDRT.
Kunti na lang kulang niya, sayang.
Konti na lang.
Yeah, kunti na lang yun. Push natin. Ito ba yun yung sabi mo na kausapin ko? Siya ito yun, di ba? Si Ramos.
Okay na sir kasi because of the email na confirm naman.
Confirm
Yes.
na niya. So, hopefully, babayaran na yun bukas. Para ma-issue.
Tomorrow talaga sabi niya tomorrow.
Okay. Good, 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 good. Yay. I'm happy for her, no? Pero kapag na-issue yun, ano na yun? MDRT na siya?
Hindi pa.
Kulang pa konti.
Kulang pa rin.
Okay.
So at least konti na lang ang kulang niya. And then I'm just happy talaga kasi I did not expect na bigla siyang mag-perform ng ganyang kagrabe ba.
Oh, grabe yung performance niya last month.
Kasi previously, yan, isa yan sa mga matitigas ng ulo na agent na ayaw talaga bumisita sa hub. Ayaw magpakita. But
Okay.
I tried to convince her na, okay, you join trainings. Ang sagot sa akin, walang pera sa training, kaya ayaw ko ng training.
Mhm. Sige.
In fact,
Anyway,
ayun, ganyan pa rin eh.
Tere, I have to close this. We can talk more. I-stop ko lang yung recording, no? So, but prior to that, ano sa tingin mo kaya ang sa tingin mo, no, during this conversation na pwede mong baguhin as a leader?
Baguhin.
Kasi i-recap natin, 'di ba? Sabi mo nga activation commitment tapos pumasok uli yung other concern which is recruitment. So all in all, kasi challenging nga yung trabaho natin as a leader. Sometimes we wear a hat of a recruiter, a mother, a motivator, a trainer kasi sabi mo nga tinitrain mo pa nga sila and so on and so forth.
Ang dapat baguhin, maging planner na lang.
Seryoso, Tere? Seryoso? Bakit? Bakit mo nasabi na planner? Seryosuhin ko yun.
Para walang sakit sa ulo. Sarili mo lang isipin mo.
Well, if that's your decision,
Ay, nako.
go. Nasa sa'yo yun eh. That's your right anyway. Di ba? Pero nasayangan talaga ako kasi andyan ka na sa level na yan. And normal naman talaga na hindi naman successful lahat ng recruit eh. Kaya nga, tuloy-tuloy pa rin tayo sa recruitment.
But
Tama.
we'll see kasi so far naman, I'm just happy no na as a rookie manager or FWM,
Mhm.
I was able to validate early last year and hopefully
Mhm.
this year as well.
Mhm.
So as compared to my other parang counterparts, 'di ba? Ayun.
Syempre, sa team nyo kasi sa Carmel, malakas talaga yan si Puliesco, di ba? Yan yung number one talaga na unit manager, no? Yeah.
Yes, sana nga maganda sa kanya magpa-coach din.
Oo. Kasi
Diba?
may experience din, matanda na rin yun eh, di ba? So, ang dami niya experiences. Matagal na rin siya sa industry. Kaya nga, ganun siya ka-successful. Ikaw, 1 year ka pa lang as manager.
So
Tama ba?
anong
1 year?
dapat gawin
1
one
year, di ba?
1 year?
Yeah, yeah. So, challenge yourself. Okay? And
We
pag-usapan natin yung ibang itong other concern mo, particularly sa recruitment when I stop this recording, ha? Stop ko
oh,
lang. Thank you very much, Tere.
thank you.
Okay, and I hope to see you next week for our last session.
Sige, sir.
Okay.